Hey, what's going on guys? This is Manit from Radiate Studios, and today we're gonna test out the MondoBytes LUT that Armando Ferreira has released very recently. Now, you know what I like about that video? Besides cinematic LUT, free download. Yes, you heard it right. It's a universal LUT which Armando has made available for free download.
And it's 100% free.
So I took the opportunity to test it out for myself and it works perfectly. Thank you Armando for always giving something valuable to the community, as we all know how much time and effort it takes in creating a great looking universal LUT like this. However, he didn't specifically test out this LUT for Panasonic cameras, so I figured I'll try and fill in the blanks by testing out his LUT for Panasonic cameras like the Lumix S5, Lumix S1H, and other vlog compatible cameras. Alright, now let's jump right into Premiere Pro and I will show you guys how this LUT works. So here I've got a bunch of shots here from my recent projects. Now all of them are shots in 422 10-bit color profile and all shots in vlog. We got our first shot right here, our model. So we're gonna try and find a hero shot of this scene. Let's go for this shot as a hero shot. This is in vlog color profile right now, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna convert this vlog to V709, and that is in basic color correction. So for Armando's LUT, we're gonna go to creative, and creative look, I already have it installed, is right here, MondoBytes. Gonna click on that, and right away you see this significant change of the look, which is a pretty good start. Now we're gonna go ahead and do some really minor adjustment in this shot. This is a sunset shot, so I might wanna increase the temperature a little bit, make it a little warmer. Also, it's kind of a bit desaturated, so I'm gonna saturate this shot, less contrasty, bring up the contrast a little bit, maybe bring down the highlights so that we see more details in the sky. That is looking pretty good. Off to a great start indeed. It looks like this. Cuts to the next shot. Okay. Here, I already have applied the Rec 709 profile on this one, so I'm just gonna put the MondoBytes LUT. Comparing with the first shot, this looks even better. I feel like there is no need to do further adjustment, but just to match up the color temperature, maybe I'll bring it up a notch, about 9. It looks pretty good here. The highlight is a bit blown out, so I might take the highlight out as well, and just bring the contrast up just a tad. I'm also looking at these lumetri scopes to make sure that the blacks are not hitting 0 or the whites are not clipping and goes above 100 here. It looks pretty good so far. Color match is really fine and it's really easy to work with. Move on to the next shot right here. And our hero scene would be maybe this one. And I'm gonna apply the MondoBytes LUT, and this is really impressive, guys. So what it does in this shot is, as you can see on the walls, it has the yellow casting of the sunset sky, but once we apply this shot, it kind of works with the yellow in a way that it makes it look really clean, yet retains that sunset vibe in the shot. And the orange colors, you will see that after we apply this, it kind of saturated a little bit. It turns it into more red, and as you can see in her hair as well, it becomes slightly more towards red. Maybe we can try and bring down the intensity a little bit so it's not too extreme. Maybe about like 67%. All right, move on to this shot right here. We're gonna test out more of what this LUT does to the skin tone. So we're gonna go ahead, put on the LUT MondoBytes, and pretty clean, 58%. If we bring it up probably a notch, you'll see it introduces green in the skin tone. So I would say like maybe about 54 is really good. As well as you will see how it works with the yellow and oranges in the shot and saturate them up a little bit. Next shot here, is from the same scene and sunset kind of situation right here. Pretty good lighting on this shot, and see how the MondoByte looks in this shot. If you bring down the intensity a little bit, you will see how it works with the greens, and the greens are become more cooler. The reds are obviously more saturated here. Maybe I wanna increase the shadows a little bit and exposure slightly up, just very little, and bring the highlights down, contrast up a little bit, make it a little warmer to still keep that sunset look going on. It still remains that cinematic look, a perfect color balance in the shot. All right, let's do this shot right here real quick. Click MondoBytes LUT, go to basic correction, warm it up a little bit, bring out the contrast, bring down the highlights just a tad, bring up the saturation, just to make sure that our skin tone is looking pretty great here. I bring up the shadows a little bit more, cool it down just a little bit. All right, skin tone right here looks pretty great, and that is our shot. Alright guys, so there you have it, a quick test of the MondoBytes LUT on the Panasonic Lumix cameras. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you do, please consider giving this video a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.